Hey guys, you're looking at another new arrival at Car City Inc. in Palatine. Nice, clean and reliable 2005 Honda Civic LX. 141,000 miles on it. Nice looking body. This is a one owner vehicle since new. It's got clean CARFAX report, no accidents. Very well kept and maintained. It's been through our shop. New brakes, new rotors on it. Front row ready, fresh oil, it runs and drives great. It's gonna save you a bunch of money on gas. Very well kept and maintained. Timing belt and water pump, guys, has been replaced on this unit already. So it's ready for another 100K. It's got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, cruise control, cloth interior, in a good shape. Non-smoking, no odors inside. 141,000 miles, no warning lights on the dash. Nice and clean dashboard, no issues, no problems. AM, FM, CD, automatic transmission, clean headliner, 4 cylinders, gas saver, back seat, nice and clean. So if you guys have any questions, I would like to schedule time to test drive this beautiful 2005 Honda Civic. Please call us 847-496-4250. Check our website carcitychicago.com for more information, pictures, video, and a free CARFAX report. Nice tires. Let me open the hood so we can take a peek under the hood. Here you go. 4 cylinders, nice and clean under the hood. As I said, it's been detailed, it's been inspected, front row ready. Timing belt, water pump has been done on this unit. And we did lots of work on it too. I mean, all suspension which has been checked, fresh oil, new brakes, new rotors. So please stop by and take this beautiful Honda Civic for test drive. You're not going to be disappointed. It runs and drives great. Front row ready. Please call us with any questions. 847-496-4250. Check our website carcitychicago.com for more information, pictures, video, and a free CARFAX report. Please stop by and visit our store. We're located at 2232 North Rand Road in Palatine, Illinois. And we are Car City Inc. Thank you so much for watching this video. You guys have a beautiful day.